Introducing the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system with texture select settings, the ultimate kitchen companion that combines the functionality of a blender, food processor, and personal blender all in one easy-to-use appliance. Prepare to revolutionize your culinary adventures with this versatile powerhouse that offers a range of features designed to enhance your cooking experience. One of the standout features of the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system is the texture select settings, which allow you to customize the consistency of your blends. Whether you prefer a thin, medium, or thick texture, you have full control over the outcome. This feature is not only useful for achieving the perfect smoothie or sauce consistency, but it also allows you to adapt your blends to suit different recipes and personal preferences. Equipped with a powerful 1,200-watt motor, this kitchen system delivers exceptional blending and food chopping performance. No ingredient is too tough to handle as the motor effortlessly powers through ice, greens, frozen ingredients, and more. With the extra-large, 3-inch, 6-point stainless steel blade and dual-direction blade technology, you can expect smooth and precise blending results every time. Say goodbye to clumpy sauces and chunky smoothies, and hello to velvety textures that will delight your taste buds. The Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system comes with an 8-cup dishwasher-safe and Bpa-Free plastic jar, ensuring both convenience and safety. The generous capacity of the jar allows for large batch blending, making it perfect for entertaining or preparing meals for the whole family. Cleanup is a breeze as the jar can be easily washed in the dishwasher, saving you time and effort. In addition to the blender functionality, this versatile appliance includes a 5-cup food processor bowl attachment with a slicing disc. This attachment expands the capabilities of the kitchen system, allowing you to chop, grind, and prep a variety of ingredients with ease. From slicing vegetables for salads to grinding nuts for homemade nut butter, the food processor attachment opens up a world of possibilities for your culinary creations. For those who are always on the go, the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system includes two 24-oz portable blend-and-go cups. These convenient cups are dishwasher safe and allow you to blend your favorite smoothies directly into the cup, so you can take them with you wherever you go. Whether you're heading to the office, the gym, or running errands, you can enjoy your nutritious and delicious blends on the move. With 9 auto programs and 4 manual speeds, including low, medium, high, and pulse, the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system provides you with precise control over your blending and chopping tasks. The intuitive controls make it easy to achieve the desired consistency for each recipe. From smoothies and soups to dips and sauces, this kitchen system is a versatile tool that empowers you to create a wide variety of dishes with confidence. The Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system is backed by the Oster brand's commitment to quality and durability. You can trust in the craftsmanship and performance of this appliance, knowing that it is built to last. As a testament to its reliability, the kitchen system comes with a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind and assurance in your investment. In conclusion, the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system with texture select settings is a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. Its versatility, powerful motor, and innovative features make it a must-have for every home cook. From customized texture settings to the convenience of blend-and-go cups, this kitchen system is designed to meet your blending and food processing needs with exceptional ease and precision. Elevate your cooking game and unleash your creativity with the Oster 3-in-1 kitchen system.